Upsetting facts about deer. Vehicle collisions. Deer can cause significant damage and even fatalities when they collide with vehicles. According to the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, deer-related accidents result in thousands of deaths and billions of dollars in property damage each year. Crop damage. Deer can cause extensive damage to agricultural crops, gardens, and landscapes. They have a voracious appetite and can decimate crops, leading to financial losses for farmers and gardeners. Tick-borne diseases. Deer are known carriers of ticks, which can transmit diseases such as Lyme disease. These diseases can cause severe health issues, including joint pain, fatigue, and neurological problems, if left untreated. Overpopulation. In some areas, deer populations have exploded due to factors such as reduced natural predators and abundant food sources. Overpopulation can lead to habitat destruction, increased competition for resources, and the spread of diseases within the deer population. Environmental impact. High deer populations can have detrimental effects on the environment. They can overbrowse and strip vegetation, affecting forest regeneration and disrupting ecosystems. This can lead to reduced biodiversity and impacts on other wildlife species. Vehicle ecosystem impact. Deer vehicle collisions not only pose a risk to human safety but can also cause ecological imbalances. When large numbers of deer are killed by vehicles, scavengers like coyotes and vultures may become reliant on roadkill as a food source, leading to changes in their behavior and potentially affecting other wildlife. Predation on native plants. In areas where deer populations are high, they can exert intense browsing pressure on native plant species. This can disrupt the balance of plant communities and negatively impact the survival of rare or endangered plants. Disease transmission. Deer can transmit diseases to humans, livestock, and other animals. One example is chronic wasting disease, CWD, a fatal neurological disorder that affects deer, elk, and moose. CWD can spread among deer populations and has the potential to impact the health of wildlife and livestock. Deforestation and habitat loss. In areas with high deer populations, their feeding habits can contribute to deforestation and habitat degradation. Overbrowsing by deer prevents the regeneration of forests, leading to a decline in biodiversity and loss of habitat for other species. Agricultural losses. As herbivores, deer can cause significant damage to agricultural crops, particularly in areas where natural habitat is scarce. Farmers often have to invest in costly measures to protect their crops from deer, which can affect their livelihoods and agricultural productivity. Invasive species displacement. In some regions, deer populations have become invasive species due to their rapid growth and lack of natural predators. These invasive deer can outcompete native species for resources, leading to the decline or displacement of local wildlife. Human-wildlife conflict. As deer encroach into urban and suburban areas, conflicts with humans can arise. They may damage gardens, landscaping, and property, leading to frustration and financial loss for homeowners. Additionally, deer can carry ticks into residential areas, increasing the risk of tick-borne illnesses for humans and pets. Negative impact on forest regeneration. Deer have a preference for consuming certain plant species, such as young tree seedlings and saplings. This selective browsing can hinder forest regeneration and affect the growth and diversity of future forests. Encroachment on natural areas. In areas where human development encroaches on natural habitats, deer populations can become fragmented and isolated. This fragmentation can disrupt migration patterns, gene flow, and overall population health, affecting the long-term viability of deer populations. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe my channel for more information.